Hey there, travelers and fellow food lovers. Today, we're taking you on a delicious journey through Bulgaria to explore the must-try dishes and where to find them. From bustling markets to cozy cafes, Bulgaria's culinary scene is a treasure trove waiting to be discovered. Bulgarian cuisine is rich in history and flavor, and it's an experience you don't want to miss. The blend of fresh ingredients and traditional recipes creates a unique and unforgettable taste. First up, let's dive into Banitsa. This famous Bulgarian pastry is filled with cheese, eggs, and sometimes spinach or pumpkin. It's a versatile dish that can be enjoyed for breakfast, as a snack, or even as a dessert. Imagine biting into layers of crispy, buttery goodness. The combination of the flaky pastry and the rich filling is simply divine. You can find the best Banitsa at street vendors and cozy cafes all over Sofia. Look for a place called Banitsa Delight. You won't regret it. Next, we have the fresh and colorful Shopska Salad. Made with tomatoes, cucumbers, onions, and tangy Bulgarian feta cheese, it's a refreshing start to any meal. The vibrant colors and crisp textures make it a feast for the eyes as well as the palate. Head over to Plovdiv and visit Bistro Mirena for an unforgettable Shopska salad. The ambiance of the bistro perfectly complements the freshness of the salad. Now let's talk about Kyufteta, or Bulgarian meatballs. These hearty meatballs are made from ground beef or pork and served with sides like rice or mashed potatoes. They are seasoned with a blend of spices that give them a distinctive flavor. Picture them sizzling on a grill, releasing mouth-watering aromas. The sound and smell alone are enough to make your mouth water. For the best Kyufteta, make your way to a local favorite, Kyufteta Heaven in Varna. The name says it all. It's a little slice of heaven for meatball lovers. Sarmi is next on our list. These are cabbage rolls filled with rice and meat, a popular comfort food in Bulgaria. They're often enjoyed during festive occasions and family gatherings. Often served with a side of yogurt, they're the perfect blend of flavors and textures. The tangy yogurt complements the savory rolls beautifully. Try them at Sarmi Haven in Bansko. The cozy atmosphere and delicious food make it a perfect spot to enjoy this traditional dish. Kebabchi, a grilled spiced sausage made from minced meat, is an absolute must-try. It's a staple at barbecues and a favorite among locals. You'll find it at local taverns and restaurants, like Kebabchi Corner in Sofia. The smoky flavor and juicy texture make it irresistible. It's a true taste of Bulgarian tradition. The experience of enjoying kebabchi in a traditional setting adds to its charm. If you're visiting in the summer, don't miss out on Territor. This refreshing cold soup made with yogurt, cucumbers, and dill is perfect for cooling down. It's light, healthy, and incredibly refreshing on a hot day. Territor is popular in both restaurants and home kitchens. Try it at Territor Terrace in Plovdiv. The cool, creamy soup is a favorite among locals and tourists alike. For a hearty and satisfying dish, go for Bulgur Pilaf. Made with Bulgur wheat, vegetables, and sometimes meat, it's a wholesome meal. The nutty flavor of the bulgur combined with the fresh vegetables makes it a nutritious and delicious option. You'll love it at Bulgur Bliss in Varna. The restaurant is known for its hearty and flavorful dishes. Bulgarian yogurt and dairy products deserve a special mention. The yogurt is known for its health benefits and unique taste. Bulgaria is famous for its yogurt, and you'll find different dairy delights like Kashkaval cheese and Rakia fruit brandy. These products are a testament to Bulgaria's rich dairy tradition. Make sure to sample these at Dairy Delights in Sofia. The shop offers a wide range of dairy products that are sure to impress. And let's not forget desserts. Kadayif and baklava are traditional sweet treats that reflect the Ottoman influence on Bulgarian cuisine. These desserts are rich, sweet, and perfect for satisfying your sweet tooth. These syrupy pastries with nuts are best enjoyed at Sweet Symphony in Plovdiv. The bakery is renowned for its delicious and authentic desserts. To wrap it up, the best places to enjoy these dishes are scattered across major cities like Sofia, Plovdiv, Varna, and Bansko. Each city offers its own unique culinary experiences. From street food vendors to family-run restaurants and upscale options, Bulgaria's culinary scene has something for everyone. Whether you're looking for a quick bite or a gourmet meal, you'll find it here. To finish this adventure, here are the top suggested popular eateries in the capital. You can't miss dining at Vitosha Boulevard in Sofia, where you'll find a mix of popular and hidden gems. For a rooftop experience with a view, head to Sense Hotel's Rooftop Bar. For a quirky and nostalgic vibe, Raketa Rakia Bar offers traditional dishes with a twist. It's a favorite among locals and tourists alike. Made in Home is another top-notch spot, known for its cozy atmosphere and delicious homemade-style meals. It's a perfect place to unwind and enjoy a hearty meal. If you're in the mood for something different, Sasa Asian Pub offers a fusion of Bulgarian and Asian flavors. It's a unique dining experience you won't forget. For fine dining, Nicolas 0360th is a must-visit. The restaurant is renowned for its innovative dishes and exceptional service. And there you have it, folks, Bulgaria's culinary delights. You don't want to miss when you are in this beautiful country. If you enjoyed this tasty tour, don't forget to subscribe for more food and travel guides. We have plenty more culinary adventures to share with you. Like the video if you're excited to try Bulgarian food, and comment below with your favorite Bulgarian dish or restaurant. We love hearing from you and your experiences. Thanks for watching, and happy eating. We hope you enjoy your culinary journey through Bulgaria as much as we did.